life. I'm so happy.
Welcome back, JB Squad!
If you're new to our channel, I'm not Jasmine.
And I'm not Bella.
As you guys know, a lot of you have been requesting for us to do fix this. You have to go fix this slime. Ready? Okay. Fix. Look, fix this slime. And then we go, and then you have to say challenge like Bella. Okay? Ready? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Fix this slime challenge. She's in the background doing
I'm out of breath.
Me too, guys.
Okay,
How do you do that, Bella?
Wait.
Bella wants to go.
Hi, guys.
Jasmine, you want to come say hi really fast?
Sure, I'll come to this way. Hi, guys.
Jasmine's filming us today because
Yeah.
Mom.
Because you guys have been really requesting for us to do, for us to
table.
do fix this slime challenge.
And look, I brought my dog.
Wow, you brought your dog. She loves playing with dogs. So you guys have been requesting this a lot, and I'm sorry we haven't filmed it. I can't talk today. I said film.
What exactly is filming?
Okay, listen.
Hi, guys.
I'm sorry that we haven't filmed it, but our schedule has been really crazy. But we are finally doing it, and we're gonna show you that we know how to fix slime too, girl.
And you guys are gonna know what it's like to be kind.
Timed?
What? We're gonna be timed?
Wait, I know how you guys are gonna do. Remember when I made that big old bad pink slime? That's
Yeah.
how you're gonna do.
Mine
Okay.
is gonna be amazing.
So, you know what I just realized?
No,
We need to look at our ingredients.
Let's go! Hold on.
What?
They haven't given us our slime yet.
We don't know what our slimes is. We have to just go get ingredients.
Oh, okay.
Oh my god, Okay guys, so we already went and got our ingredients, but before we show you, we just want to thank Maddie from Maddie Slime Glues for sending us, once again, these amazing slime ingredients. How did you end up with this gallon?
It's only half a gallon.
Really? I ended up with this little glue and he has a whole half a gallon?
I gotta be ready for anything.
Daddy, I think it's
Who knows what they're gonna give us?
Yeah, well, you know what? I'm gonna beat you. I love you, but I'm gonna beat you. I'm gonna fix this
I love you too, but there's no way you're gonna beat me with this. I could take anything they throw at me.
Okay, well, whatever. So, wait a minute. You got this much activator and I have this little thing? You had this plan, didn't you? I'm on to you. Okay, so anyways, I got... What are you saying? Anyway, so I got this white glue. I was telling you how much I love you. Activator. Some glitter. My favorite, pink. What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
What's so funny?
Nothing.
Give me a kiss. Some purple metallic. Why do you look so sneaky? Some purple metallic paint, some white food coloring,
purple my favorite color.
and some red food coloring, lotion, and some,
Don't do it.
maybe not now, but later, shaving cream.
Okay.
What kind of a laugh was that? Girl.
I got half a gallon of white glue. All the activator I need.
That's a lot of activator.
Shaving cream.
You're gonna share with your wife, right?
Yeah.
You're gonna share with me?
Another capful.
Really?
Glitters, paint, teal food coloring, and royal blue.
Royal
blue.
Royal blue.
Royal blue food
Who's
coloring.
royal blue? I don't
And
know.
some extra paint, just in case. Oh, and foam beads.
Foam beads.
Foam beads. Okay.
Oh, look at you just put that. Hey, whose side are you on, sweetie? Okay, so now I'm moving this stuff out of the way, and are you ready to see our slimes? I'm sure they didn't give us anything too crazy.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, they're pretty nice. They're really beautiful.
Okay, we'll take them out of the bag, and let's close our eyes. Ready?
Close your eyes. Keep them closed.
Okay. What's so funny?
Guys, so this one is my mom's and this one's my dad's. Look how gross.
Okay.
What?
Nothing. I said look how beautiful.
But just
okay. 3, 2, 1. Open!
What?
What is that? Oh my gosh!
I don't know where to start.
First of all, my eyes are like really blurry. I think I'm having my face covered.
Whose is who? What is this?
This is
This
your
isn't
slime.
even slime.
This is your slime. This is
Oh,
my slime.
oh, there,
Thank
you found
you.
it.
That's yours. Oh, you do have a lot of stuff, so that's yours.
Oh,
No, this is yours.
you guys don't have to fix the hard part. You can fix the
So, I gotta wear this hat throughout
Yeah.
the video?
You have to.
Oh, great. You look so great. Oh, no,
Wear it out.
I think this is extra.
I think this is for you guys.
Ow! You almost knocked me down.
Okay, so we need to open this and show them.
Okay.
Wait. Look how gross, guys, though. Like, do you see how disgusting? Wait,
It's spilled in the box.
see that. Oh, nice guy.
Okay, so let's see. Oh my gosh, what is this? Do I have to touch it?
Yes.
No. Oh my god.
What does it smell like?
Oh, it's really bad.
Oh, I wish I could.
It looks like
It
oil.
looks, I don't even know. It's really bad. Oh my god.
Ew, what is that?
I don't know, but I'm literally gonna throw up. I'm not kidding. I think I
It
might throw
looks
up.
like poop on your
It's really bad.
It looks like poop on your hand.
Bella!
Ew.
Okay, let's see yours.
Okay.
It looks like
Oh my god, it smells
Your fingers
so bad.
look like chocolate covered strawberries.
No.
Okay, now it's my turn.
That thing like it's chocolate.
Oh, what
Oh,
is
you're
what
so
is
bad.
this?
Oh.
Ew, it's all stringy and look, it
looks
looks like
like
spider webs.
Spider-Man. Wait, it's Spider-Man's
What?
mom. Spider-Man.
But yours is not as melted as mine.
It's sticky and
Gross.
Ugh.
Yours is darker. Bella, you're gonna stick your hair on mine.
Okay, so let's get started.
What do you
Yeah.
guys think of your slime?
I think it's disgusting and I'm gonna get you guys back in the next video.
Ugh.
Are you think you're gonna be able to fix this?
I know. Here.
No, I don't want that. Okay, I don't know how we're gonna do this, but it's time to start fixing.
And it's time to time you.
What? No,
No.
You guys are gonna, they're gonna give us 10 minutes, right?
10
You
minutes.
love us.
5 minutes.
Okay, so are you ready to fix it?
I don't know.
Definitely not. This is really gross. Okay, so now we have to pour it in the table. Ready?
Oh
Yours is not as bad as mine. It's not fair. He has a whole bunch of ingredients. You want me to put this on your head? I wouldn't do
And
it.
yours smells rotten, Mom. I can
It
smell
smells
from
really
here.
bad. Like, this is disgusting. I'm gonna get you back, just so you know.
No,
I love
you're
you.
not.
I love you, but I'm gonna get you back. Do you guys want me to get her back?
No.
Okay. Yuck.
Wait, did you just say yes? Did you shake your head?
No.
Okay, so are you gonna start the? Wait, why am I reminding you? I was like, are you gonna start the timer?
Yeah, I totally forgot. I need to start the timer.
Oh no! Why didn't I remind her, guys? Oh, I couldn't get my hair. It looks like
Okay.
hair dye. I just dyed my hair black the other day, so it's kind
Well, that's what it looks like.
okay. So
Okay, 5 minutes starting.
I'm scared.
Okay,
I'm gonna beat him.
3, 2, 1, go!
Okay, so first I'm gonna add what, baby? Hold on. Why am I adding glue if mine is melted? I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like Bella and just do like a big, like a big mountain.
That's shaving cream. Ah!
Hey!
I just put a little bit. Oh, why'd you do that now? Okay, so what's next? Activator? I don't know. I literally don't know what I'm doing right now. Like, I know how to make slime, but not in this order. That big activator.
Making
Oh
it in
my god, guys,
this
what is this?
huge
It
amount.
looks like a sundae. What do I need to add? Am I gonna change the color? I have so many questions. Is serious? What are you doing?
You're food coloring. What?
Bella, do you think we're gonna be able to fix this? No, Bella. Bella, no. Bella, stop. I'm gonna dirty you. Be careful. You're just like Bella. She always puts it in front of the camera.
Oops.
Okay. So I think I'm gonna make like a fluffy slime.
I think you have to at this point.
Oh my god, it's not even slime right now. It's literally melted. I have to add more acid.
I'm making a
Much
mess on the
more.
table.
Do you guys think you can fix this?
I don't think we are. Oh look, it's coming. Oh no, it's not.
I don't know if I'm gonna get it together in time.
Because you added a bunch of glue.
I still got more.
Well, that's actually good. So I
Let
can.
me check the timer. Let's see how much time.
What?
You
This is
have-
not for me.
Have 3 minutes and 30 seconds.
What? 2 minutes already passed?
Now you see what it feels like.
Okay, maybe that's.
Mine's
But
better.
it's not forming. What do I do?
I think mine's is like.
Daddy's looks like
I'm gonna have to do like Bella and like just start putting a bunch of pretty glitter on. Oh, I think it's gonna form. Okay, I just need more glue.
Wait, did you use all that glue?
Yep.
Oh my god, the whole thing? Let me get some.
Nope.
Give me some. I need more.
Daddy!
Thank you. Really? You dirty my hands.
Daddy,
Yeah.
I'm the judge, and I tell you to share your glitter for me.
Okay.
Guys,
Here.
Okay, look, it's
one.
forming. No, I don't want more glue. Okay.
2 minutes and 20 seconds.
Okay, it's forming.
Well,
got mine to form.
Okay, mine too. But yours is so big.
Ooh.
Oh, you just put some on me, Bella. Oh, he's throwing shaving cream. And I'm like Jasmine. I'm like freaking out.
Hey, I don't freak out.
Bella, what are you doing?
I'm gonna test it.
Okay, so now I need some
I
lotion.
need color.
You guys need to come look
Ah.
at this. You need to come look at this.
I just poured
Okay.
like the entire thing here.
Added any color. So I don't know what I'm doing. I'm
I
just
think
gonna
you
add
need
some
that white one
purple.
to color. I mean to lighten it.
Some more shaving cream maybe?
No, you have. don't
How
you
much
have white
time do we
food
have
coloring?
left?
You have 1 minute and 45
1 minute and 45 seconds. We're not gonna make it.
Yes, we are.
Okay. No, we're not.
Yes, we are.
Well,
Maybe you are. I can't open it. Babe, can you help me? Oh, he's so sweet. He
Here
does
you go.
love me. Okay, let's see. Wait. Aww.
Here you go.
Isn't he the best? Wait, what are you doing? Okay.
Pouring it in. Uh-oh.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Thank you.
Here you go.
I can't take this out. Oh.
There you go.
Thank you. Okay. Oh, I'm putting this in.
I'm
Okay.
gonna pull a Bella.
Oh, babe. Ooh, it's turning so pretty.
You're wasting all the glitter.
It's okay.
What's the best thing ever?
Okay, I need to hurry up. How much time? Oh, I need some white.
1 minute.
Ah!
1 minute
I
exactly.
can't open it.
Yes.
I can't open anything.
Uh-oh.
Oh! I don't. Okay.
Guys, it's already down to 50 seconds.
Oh my gosh. And mine's kind of looks the same. What do I do?
Oh,
I'll
it
do this
looks
for now.
pretty. I think you might need more color. Oh, I'm helping you. Why am I helping you?
Okay.
Oh, mommy, mine
Mine is-
doesn't look like that beautiful purple.
Okay.
Oh.
30 seconds. What? How many seconds?
You're blocking.
30.
Oh, yours is so big.
What do
But
you
my
expect?
color's pretty.
A whole half a gallon.
Okay. How much time?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Okay, time is up. Time to see your slime.
Okay, so this is mine, and I think I did a really good job changing the color.
Whoa!
Alright, I almost did a bubble. Let
That's
me try
a
again.
real nice like
And the-
iridescent tone to it.
Thank you.
It's like metallic.
Yeah, and the texture is like super nice and like. Oh, that wasn't a good way to show you, but let me show you. The texture is like super stretchy.
Wow.
I want to do a bubble. How do you guys do bubbles? Let me
Mom,
try
I'm so impressed. Your slime was like this disgusting color. Look at it.
one. So I obviously don't know how to do bubbles, but I promise you, you guys can't feel it, but it feels really nice. It's really good and stretchy.
Stretchy.
I promise it's good. It doesn't look good, and I know that I'm probably not making any sense right now, but it's good. I promise.
You're the best slime maker I know.
Are you making fun of me?
No.
It's really pretty though. That's what counts, and it's stretchy. I keep
Okay.
breaking every time I say it's stretchy.
But you did a good job. You did a good job.
I give you a 9.5.
Hey,
Look,
give
I
me
think-
a 10.
Look, that was her before and her after.
Yeah, this was my before, and this is my after.
You sound like Bella. Okay, and moving on to the
Hey,
next.
this is
And
so
this
nice.
is my slime. It's
You did such a good
huge.
job. I'm so jealous.
Okay, let's
Wait, what do you call your slime?
I call my slime. What do I call it?
Purple perfect.
Purple hearts.
Oh, okay.
And you? Iceberg.
iceberg lettuce.
Lettuce. It's not even green. What?
I don't know.
Oh, he
The
said
ocean.
the best. The ocean. He calls it the ocean.
Oh, mermaid and ocean.
Blue ocean.
You made me an ocean out of slime.
Just for you. Come-
Because I'm a mermaid mom.
Yes, come swim in it.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Okay, let's try to make a bubble from this.
Oh, no, let me
So wait, you didn't crunch it.
Oh, let's.
Ooh, nice way to play with it.
You're like,
Hi.
I don't want to see you play the piano.
Okay, let's see.
Uh-oh. Do you guys think he could do it? 3, 2, oh!
Good job. Okay, so let me show you. I'm gonna try one more time to do a bubble, just like Bella though. You're Jasmine and I'm Bella today. I'm telling you, this feels like gum. I wish. Can you guys feel it? Try to.
Why you made like a
How could I have this much slime and not make a big bubble?
Try again. Go. You gotta push it further back. I think. So be careful you don't open it. Go. Like stretch it this way. I do one bubble and now I think I'm like an expert. Oh, you did it! Bella loves to pop bubbles. Okay, so now you girls have to feel them to see which one you.
Yeah, I'm gonna judge it. But before we judge it, JB Squad, who do you think won? Mermaid Mom or Super Dad?
Or somewhere in the middle, because they're
Or maybe
about
we're
to form.
tied.
Wait, let's make a little teeny tiny piece.
Okay, but I want you girls to crunch, like to feel it, the texture, to see if you think it's good. Okay, guys, so now they're gonna come and feel our slime. So Bella, you wanna
You
feel
realize-
my slime?
Your hand and you're putting it through
Yes,
your
you
hair.
did this to me.
No, look at your hand and you're putting it through your hair.
Oh,
I'm gonna
Jasmine?
judge Super Dad.
okay, so go.
Ooh, I like it. Feels like so cool.
Right?
Yours is so like thick and glossy. Yeah, and it's like
Make a bubble. Show me how to make a bubble, because that's lots of slime.
Okay, I need to focus. Okay.
Make this
I
work.
try.
Oh. How can I get a stretch like that?
No, I can do it bigger. I can do it bigger. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Ooh.
We're not the best at making bubbles.
That's huge.
Oh, look, Bella wanted to mix a little piece.
There you go.
Sorry. Okay.
Bella, you're standing in front of the camera.
Honestly, this
Here,
is
look.
like.
Honestly, I think you won.
Let me see.
You did so good, and you made it so
Mommy, your
big.
slime is taking over.
You won.
Wait, I still need to
Yeah,
feel
you
You
yours.
got a really nice purple color.
Okay, is it tied?
Bella, let's
Yeah.
switch. Ooh, I like this, guys. Look.
There,
Bella.
Bella.
What are you doing?
Okay, so I'm done with the mix.
Oh. Okay, you haven't felt mine.
Oh, that's right. Bella.
Hi guys. Okay, so the color of yours is amazing. You turned it
Thank
from
you.
like poop to this.
I wouldn't even touch that because it smells so bad.
And but the only
You put them in there.
your texture is a little bit like I'm gonna try to make a it doesn't have enough glue in it, so that's why it's tearing.
Really? I thought it was so good. It felt like kinetic sand almost.
Yes, that's what it feels like. But I think the reason why yours isn't stretching is you can't make a bubble.
Okay guys, so that's the end of today's video. We really hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below in our post. Who do you think made better slime?
When am I
I think it was you.
No, it
I
was
think
you.
I really like both. This one has a unique texture, but that one has a really pretty color.
Okay, so comment down below which one you guys liked best. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already because we're so close to 100K.
Only one more K.
What?
Yeah.
One more thousand.
Oh.
And guess what, guys? We just hit 99,000 subscribers.
We have a lot of exciting new information to share with you guys when we hit 100K. So make sure to subscribe to our
And we're
channel.
gonna do it like a cake and everything.
Yeah. And we're
Click that
actually
like button.
yes. Give us a big thumbs up.
Notification. A nice big thumbs up.
And we're actually leaving on a cruise in a few days, so we're gonna try to film a few more videos for you guys.
I think it might be only 6 days. No,
We have 4 days
4
left. So yeah, we're gonna be vlogging. Comment down below if you would like to see some vlogs on our cruise. And yeah, we love you guys to the moon and back. #JB Squad. Bye bye.